Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. So this is Rosario, and along with Satyaraj and Murli, we recently participated in a hackathon for Agents in Action was the title, and our team name was Dare to Dream. What we did was AI-based incident management system, which uses N8N, Jira, Confluence, and ServiceNow being the trigger for this whole incident management system. So very quickly, so the challenge was that. Typically a support team spends a lot of time on manual triaging and routing, and also there is room for making mistakes with regard to how they go about this whole process. So how can we free human expertise for problems that are truly more demanding? So that is where our learning comes in. We used two LLMs. One is OpenAI, other one is Google Gemini. One for categorization, other for resolution. Also, another important thing is that we are not replacing the support engineer here. We are making his life easier by the AI agent doing the hard work of categorization, the bringing in the context and summaries, so that the time and effort is cut down drastically. So, what did we learn? So then already I've been working on N8N for a lot of different personal workflows, but this one gave me a new look into what all can be done using N8N to address some of these business challenges. So as I mentioned, we used both ChatGPT and Gemini. The only reason being Gemini seemed to be better at with regard to the resolution part. So also we learned how to set up ServiceNow and Jira and Confluence in our own individual instances, and how to connect all of them to the N8 and workflow. So the benefits here, the whole round trip between somebody raising a incident and then the resolution being passed to the support engineer is just 45 seconds. Just compare that with the and industry standard, which I learned that it's anywhere between 30 minutes to 45 minutes to for one round trip within an incident. And also, since the AI agent is doing this work, it is 92% accurate, and there is a faster resolution time. And since it is hosted solution, you have a 99.8% uptime. So very quick glimpse of what we have as a solution. If you look at it, this is one of the recent incident that I raised using ServiceNow. So it is a Postgres database crashing is the issue. And if you look at these fields, right, a category, a confident, and others, these are custom fields that I created within the ServiceNow template, so that after the AI agent runs, it gives and comes back and updates this field, so that you can see that this particular issue is database related. The AI has got 95% confidence on what the resolution it is giving. It is categorized as critical, and what it thinks as the typical time frame to address this issue, and at a high level, what is the resolution time. If you go down, right, it also gives a detailed content analysis, likely root cause and other things. So if you look at the Jira that it has raised this Jira, but since the issue was already there, it's marked as duplicate, and also changed it as done. If it's a net new issue, it'll keep it open. So on the Confluence side, we created various categories like login, configuration, performance, and this example shows typically what we have under login issues. So it gives the common causes, resolution times, and this is what is the A referring to when it's actually working out what type of resolution it needs to give. Again, thank you so much for the organizers and Hexaware for giving us this opportunity. I thank my team members Satyaraj and Murli for being part of it, and to enable us to come first in this competition. I recommend everyone to join in and learn as we go along in this journey. Thank you.